First hold Shift key in your keyboard and click on Power button. Click on Restart. Hold Shift key until it restart. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advance option. Click on Command Prompt. Type regedit and press Enter. Expand HKey local machine. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows NT. Expand current version. If you cannot able to find passwordless folder, follow the following steps. Right click on current version, click on new and click on key. Press Enter. Now right-click passwordless and click on New and click on Key. Press Enter. Now right-click on white frame and click on New. Click on DWORD 32-bit. Press Enter. Right-click it and click on Modify. Change the value to 0 and click on OK. Now close all the one and click on Continue. Now your problem should be fixed.